Hi, this is Tom Hoskins for Mining Magazine. I'm here with Brian Warmerdam, who's a product expert at RAD Torque Systems, which is a leading provider of pneumatic and battery torque systems to the mining industry. Hi, Brian. How's it going?
Good. Thanks for having me.
Excellent. Well, good to see you. I guess what we're going to focus on today is an exciting new product from your company. You're about to be launching a tool called the B-RAD Extreme. Maybe you could just start by telling me about this new tool and why it's going to revolutionize the torque wrench industry.
Absolutely. The B-RAD Extreme, or the B-RAD X, is our brand new battery-powered torque tool. We're launching in 3 torque ranges: 5,000, 8,000, and 11,000 foot-pounds. We're very excited. 11,000 foot-pounds is the highest battery-powered torque tool on the market, and you can see it just behind me on the wall there. We've built this tool from the ground up. We've been focusing on maintaining the efficiencies from our expertly made gearbox, and we've made a custom motor controller to maintain all those efficiencies and bring them to your job site in the most mobile platform that we can.
And have you been doing this in collaboration with miners? What's been the sort of process of developing the product?
Yeah, we take feedback from all industries, but as we know, mining is a dirty, dusty, and muddy industry. So we've made sure that these tools they include an IP rating to make sure that there's no ingress of dirt or mud into the tool, helping everything last longer, helping everything work more efficiently, reduce overheating situations, making sure the tool can perform just as well on day 1,000 as it does on day 1.
And so when can we expect to see this in available for clients?
We're just announcing it today, which is very exciting, but we are taking orders as of January 1st.
Okay, fantastic. So coming pretty soon in Q1 then. That's good to hear. So obviously your company, RAD Industry, is well known in the mining industry for pneumatic torque wrenches, and they've even been featured on the hit show Gold Rush. Why are RAD pneumatics perfect specifically for mining?
Pneumatic tools especially are workhorses. They require very little setup, very little maintenance. All you have to do is make sure you have a reliable source of air power, and then you can use any pneumatic tool. They work well in dusty environments and muddy environments. It's really hard to break a pneumatic tool. And that's why they've excelled, especially in the tire base in the mining industry. OTR trucks require a lot of maintenance, switching rims on and off. And there's a lot of bolts there, and our pneumatic tools have proven to be successful for 25 years in that industry.
So mining companies are always looking to optimize their safety performance. How is your new product, the X, going to help them in that endeavor?
Well, the B-RAD X is offering new higher torque ranges, ones more applicable to the mining industry, on a battery platform. And the battery platform offers a number of advantages. Even over pneumatic, you're going to have, you don't have any air hoses. Over a hydraulic tool, you don't have hydraulic hoses or the potential danger of a hydraulic pump failure. By encompassing that tool into one, you kind of maintain that power in one unit. You don't have to worry about tripping hazards, about faulty power lines, faulty air lines, or anything that might result in a tool failure. And, like you said, a worst case scenario would be an operator injury.
Yeah, okay. And more broadly, let's talk about the gearbox design in your torque wrenches. Tell me why the RAD gearbox design is so unique.
I think it has to do with the investment we've put in. We have 25 years of design experience that goes into our latest generations, and we've already completed 4 generations of unique gearbox design. And all of that, constitutes a lot of lessons that we've learned over the years. We've also invested heavily into our machine shop. We make all these gearboxes right here outside of Vancouver, Canada. And we use the most precise machines that we can to maintain our reliability of our gearboxes, which is very important. Also, the repeatability of torque output. That stems directly from the precision machining that goes into these gearboxes.
Okay, thank you, Brian. Now we're just going to move on to another tool in the pneumatic series that's very specific for mining. It's the wheel nut bolting tool for off-the-road mining. Tell me about this tool.
Yeah, so we offer a number of wheel nut solutions. With these OTR trucks, there are a number of factors. There are trucks that have rims from different manufacturers, hubs from different manufacturers, and they all kind of create this, this matrix of solutions that we have to provide. So we do have a number of solutions, whether it's tools with built-in extensions so that they can reach deep into the well of a rim or a hub. We have things like these 4-point reaction posts, which allow you to react on the rim and then have an extension move again deep into the hub where the bolt is actually located. All of these accessories or the tools themselves have been designed for specifically for OTR trucks in the mining industry, and they've been in use for over 20 years in a lot of these applications very successfully. And of course, mining trucks never stop development on their own. We work directly with Caterpillar and Komatsu to make sure that we have these solutions available when these trucks go into the field.
Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you, Brian. Now, I just want to ask you about how RAD Torque can customize tools to solve challenging bolting applications. Can you talk to me a little bit about how you do that?
Absolutely. I think that's one of the most important things in the high torque business is customizing solution. It's important not just for the safety of the operator. A lot of bolts are in awkward positions. They might require hangers or balancers or something to reduce fatigue or stress on the operator. And a lot of the time as well, the reaction solution, which is quite important because, you know, you and I can't hold 5,000 foot-pounds. So this reaction solution is what does that work for us. If the geometry of that isn't correct, that can lead to tool failure as well. So it's important that we are able to work with our customers to make sure that those solutions are in place before the tool is used, or, you know, if it has to be done later, we can do that as well. But we need to make sure that that is there for the safety of the operator and the tool, and so that the customer has the best experience possible.
Okay, Brian, well, thank you very much indeed for that overview of your new product and some of your current product line. It's been really good to talk to you.
Yes, thank you for having me.
So that concludes this video for Mining Magazine, and we will see you again next time. Goodbye.